So this is the file I sent you. If I open this cabinet and set door drawer to none and click OK, I've set that one apparently in the door face itself, so let's specify that as default and click OK. So there's no door handle on this cabinet door. And then I go into door drawer and I'll specify CP01 for my bar. And let's say down from the top is 6, and let's edit this and rotate. It shows horizontal here in the preview, but when I click OK it does not show it here, so I click OK again and it does not show it horizontal here. Open this up again, go into door drawer, edit this. I'm still at 90 degrees. If I reset the rotation and click OK, it's still not 90 degrees. It's maintaining that vertical orientation. It's maintaining the 90 degrees here. So I'm not sure what I'm missing with this. Anyway, thanks. This is a file in X14 that I started from an out-of-the-box template that Chief sent. I used the residential template in X14, and I opened this cabinet. I set the default cabinet's door drawer to CP01 for the handle and CP04 for the drawer handle. When I open this and go into door drawer, edit that and rotate -90, click OK. It is not rotating here. Let's say 12 in from the edge. Rotate. It's not rotating for me there. If I go to door drawer and set none and click OK, escape, double click on this door drawer and go back to the library, CP01, choose this one and rotate -90, click OK. Once again, it does not rotate for me.